Hi guys, still stranded, but you know, trying to live it out. Trying to go back to the olden days and stuff like that. So where did I leave you guys off at? Where were we? We were mining, I think. We were mining. We're mining good. We're actually mining really good. Just finding all sorts of stuff and crap and things of sort. Yeah. We still need to find that skeleton cave. We're gonna find that this episode. I am guaranteed we're gonna find it right after I check on some stuff like that. I've been hearing noises lately. I know it's creepy, but when I'm asleep I hear noises and it's like more than standard stuff. It scares me. Oh crap, get up there. Yeah, but it's been scaring me. I'm actually worried. So, but yeah, starting life again. That tree still never grows. Well, wait a second. This tree grew this time. Just realized that. Yeah, but still never grows. I'm about to. Something coming out. Let me go get my axe. So let me get my axe. Where is my axe? They've still been depressed. I've still been getting depressed a little. But you know, things going good. I actually found this book the other day. It's actually kind of interesting. I'm thinking about checking it out. I don't know yet. It seems difficult. I'll show you guys here in a minute after I make my axe. Yeah. It seems difficult. I've been kind of worried about it lately. And oh, did you guys notice my camera guy? Yeah, he's not the brightest of the bunch, but he realized he had his other lens, so he decided if this is gonna be a stranded island, we might as well do it in style. So he got me a new lens for the view. Let me know how you guys like it and stuff like that. I think it's okay. I need to adjust it sometimes. I'm about to adjust it right now. I have to go into these stuff that I don't understand. I be asking him sometimes, like, dude, you know I don't understand this stuff. Why do you always give it to me? Well, you know, give me the basic stupid guy responses and stuff like that. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah. Let me get that better looking for you guys. Give me a second. Let me do one more. Zoom in. There we go. Look at that sun though. Oh, it's so beautiful. Almost makes me want to cry. I remember when I was younger, and I always go to the beach. I had this pet wolf. Oh, he was the best. His name was CraftyARL. Don't judge, but he was the best dog ever. Always goes to the beach. A lot of lovely things together. If you guys ever had a dog, let me know. I want to hear about it. I mean, obviously since I'm training in the lives, but you know, my bird bring me mail every time. If I want to know about it, just let me know. Write it in that box below. Send me some mail, and I'll get it on my pet bird. And I'll make sure I let you guys. I'll reply. Stuff like that. Let me go get my I'm gonna get my sugar cane. I always do this with the sugar cane. I remember last episode I could not find no food to save my life, so I had to do a ritual ceremony. ritual ceremony and die. But when I came back to life, I came back here to this lovely island. So it wasn't the best of plans, but I thought it would get me somewhere. Ooh, I got 5 saplings this time. I'm gonna put this one. Put it over here. You know what? I'm about to... Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I need to process some emotions here. I'm going to that point again. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I'm so better now. I just needed to relax. But think about it, it's actually kind of beautiful. I mean, nice water. Gotta find some place to plant these saplings. Yeah, let me put this over here. One right there. Well, is that too close? Probably not. Probably not. And then another one. Okay. But oh, we're about to go. No, that's obviously way too close. And let's find one more place for them. So I'll put this right here. Let's go. Oh no, I still got another one. I can just keep these in the chest for now. But we're going back inside and we're about to find that cave. We're going to find it today, right now, because there's no way I'm going another day without food. Well, there's no way I'm going another death without food. Oh yeah, I gotta show you this book. Let me show you this book. I found it. It was so weird. It's talking about materials to surviving the first day. Which I found this book a long time ago because, you know, I wouldn't survive the first day. So, it's talking about some stuff like that. I make these patterns and stencil tables and stuff. But I was skimming through it and I saw that all this cool stuff that we can make. And I was thinking maybe we can find the weapons. So maybe if I can get this started. So let me get a blank pattern started. Let me blank pattern. I heard that you're gonna need a lot of those, and so I already like try to make sure. Shut up, skeleton. And bat. I'm trying to get this started. Oh crap. Okay. What does it say we need it again? Because I'm actually really excited because if I found this book a long time ago, you know, I would lift a long time ago. So get that right there, right there. And right here, right here. Boom. Got it. So I guess I can. Should I use all that wood? Yeah, I should use all this wood. And just hope for the best for this stuff. I hear him walking too. I'm gonna get you, Skelly. I'm gonna get you. I really am. Okay, 3 should be good for right now. Give me my stuff back. You serious? My stick? Stick! Are you serious? I'll get it later. Okay, what's next in the book? Okay, so after that, I need to make a stencil table. Wait, what was that again? It was just a wooden plank. Okay, workbench again. I might need to make more patterns. I'll make them later. Just want to get this. What's that shadow right there? That shadow scares me. Probably see that shadow came out of nowhere. Oh, the moon. Oh, not the moon. Oh my god. I've been on this island too long. I'm gonna just call it the sun and the moon. Okay, so I made the stencil table. Where am I gonna organize this? Let me put it right here. There we go. What's next on this? What's next? What's next? Oh, part crafter. Okay, wait. What was that? What was that? What do I need to get? Oh my god, I'm so weird. So I need another. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make another. Oh, scary noises. I'm gonna have to make another. Whatchamacallit? I'm gonna have to make another pattern. I'll have to make some more patterns. Okay. Give me that. I don't know why I just have a random hole there. That does not seem safe. Okay, get up here. Right. Yeah, that doesn't seem safe. I should probably get that fixed. Okay, what else? What else do I need? I need a pattern chest. And I need a tool station. Okay. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm going to pause the camera here so I can be able to get this stuff organized for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I finished it, ta-da, but there's a downside. I need flint right now, so we're going to have to wait for that to be done. But in the meantime, wait a second, wait. Now, I need to get another pickaxe. I wasn't prepared. Yep, but 4 torches should last us, and if it doesn't, we're screwed, so let's go. Now, I hear this thing somewhere, and we're going to find it. We're going to find it, and I don't care if it takes all that. We're finding you tonight. Come on. No, I have so much coal now. I remember the day I was crying. I was like, oh my god, where the heck is this coal? I don't want it to be dark. No, we got so much coal. No, but I need to find something. I can't take it anymore. No, forget it. I hear you, skeleton. I am coming for you. Forget this coal. Forget this coal. No, that's a bright coal. Oh, let me turn my flashlight up. So. Okay. I will find you. I will find you. Back up. I will find you. Dirt is always a good sign. Always a good sign. Where are you at, man? Show yourself. This isn't fun. I can't hear him no more. Crap. Oh no. No, where are they? Where are they? I'm going to find you, man. Something above me? No, something. I don't think it's right there. I'll show you this one. It might be stupid if I just dig down. Hey, I think it wouldn't be a bad idea if I find it though. That would be a pretty sick idea. Wait, do I have any sticks on me? Yes, I got sticks. Bad on. I hear spiders. Where are you, man? Where are you? I want to kill you so bad. I want to kill you so bad. I can taste your spider eye. I can taste your spider eye. Wait, is that weird that I want to eat? Okay, let's stop. That's weird. I have a good supply of materials, so I'll admit that. Okay, let's. I wish you would just show yourself, man. This would make everything a lot easier. Everything. I hear them. They're rejoicing down there. They're rejoicing. I hear you. I hear you. Almost. Where are you? I want to eat you. So bad. Man. You're talking to someone who has not eaten in days. Show your face. I'm starving. Over here. Oh my god. I think next episode I'm gonna build a house, man. Yep, because I got so much cobble. Oh my god. Show your face already, please, to me. No. So guys, I hear something that's scaring me badly, and I'm actually scared to find out what it is. Oh my god, it's brown and moving. What is that? What is that? Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm closing up shop. Yeah, you stay up there, holy mammoth. How did that thing get on this island? I'm in the middle of nowhere, and you're telling me a mammoth can get on this island that is extinct? And okay. You're playing with me, Minecraft. Jesus, you're playing with me. You're hilarious. I get it. Okay, but no. You cannot tell. Oh my god, the noises is. Oh my god. Okay, where was I? Looking for skellies and spiders and not holy mammoths. Okay, I'm going to have to figure out what's going on up there. Yeah. So my life's going great. Need more torches. Still looking for you. Oh. Okay. Okay, you're right here. I hear you guys. Okay, I want to find you guys. This cave is close. I feel it in my bones. I feel it. Oh, I'm gonna find it. I'm going to find it. I'm gonna eat tonight. Somebody plus tonight. Well, I mean, something's better than nothing, guys. Don't judge me. Oh my god, where is it? You guys are somewhere. You guys are somewhere around here. I feel like you guys are trying to find me too. I want to find you guys, but you guys don't know what I'm packing. I'm packing a sword. I mean, I'm gonna kill y'all. I mean, I don't care, y'all. I got no idea. are you? Seriously, show face. Seriously. Where are you guys? Are you guys more down? Okay, you know what? I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. I'll be back. Okay, guys. I'm kind of running low on that time limit here before my camera finally dies for this series, and I don't want to end it for this series, so I want to save as much battery as I can. So next episode we will find this thing. I promise we will. I can't, and we're gonna discover what's up there, what's going on Planet Island, because I don't understand how a mammoth can just come out of nowhere and we're in the middle of nowhere. Nowhere. I don't understand, okay? I don't. So, we will discover, we will find, so please, just stay with me, stay with me, stay with me.